Welcome to another tutorial on MATLAB. In this tutorial series, we are looking into the concept of stateflow and how to implement different things in stateflow related to a practical implementation. In this particular episode, we will be looking into the truth table aspect and what is underspecified condition in truth table. So suppose you have a truth table and you have some logics that is defined in this truth table. For example, this could be a truth table with different conditions. So this is the condition table for the truth table. And you have different conditions which are described here. And correspondingly, you have different decisions that is being taken here. And you have actions. And correspondingly, you will have some action table. So in this case, suppose you have defined all the decisions, then in that case, you will be fully implementing your truth table. Like all the specific scenario related to the truth table, what could be the truth value combinations for all the possible situations that you mentioned. If it is described properly, then you will not get any issue. But suppose you have missed some condition, then in that case, or missed some scenario, in that case, you will get a warning called underspecified truth table. That means that you have not specified some of the scenarios which may come while running the truth table. In such scenarios, you may end up doing nothing or you will not be able to take any decisions. So that is called a underspecified truth table. And let's see like how it looks like when we have a underspecified truth table in the implementation. So let's jump into the MATLAB and see how it looks and how the error looks like and how we can mitigate that. So this is the truth table that we have created. Now let's see how we can implement a underspecified truth table. So suppose we need to mess up with some of the decisions that we already have created. Now let's change one of the decision and then we implement the truth table to see how it is underspecified and how we will get the error and how we will resolve it. So here you are getting an error while running the truth table that it is having some underspecified condition. So it is having some underspecified conditions which is left. So that case is true, false. So this is the scenario which is not present here. Due to that, we are not performing some of the actions as well. So this may have impact. So let's fix that and re-implement the truth table one more time. Now let's add this condition. So we need to change it. Okay, the one way to do implement the same is to implement don't care. So if you implement don't care, so that will solve the problem, but this is not the ideal solution. You need to implement the exact implementation that is not implemented in the decision table. If it is if you are using only don't care, then there will be no use of having truth table. So now let's run the truth table and see how it is working with the normal condition. Okay, now this truth table is working with the defined conditions, yeah, and behaving properly based on the decision logics. So that is how you can overcome the truth table underspecified conditions. So means you will not have specified some of the conditions which may occur in the scenario. So you need to fix that, and then if you run your truth table, then you will get it running. Yeah, this is how you can implement and fix underspecified condition in truth table. In case you are liking the channel, please consider subscribing. In case you have any comment or query, please let us know in the comment box. It will help us to improve your experience of learning MATLAB in this channel.